I do not recommend the Ikea Malm bed. So if you're in the same condition and your Malm bed has broken and you're looking for a way to repair it or somehow salvage your bed or the frame itself, then this video is... Don't do it. Don't waste your money. Like, I should have read the reviews. Hi guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel, home of Christy T. I'm Christy T, and today's video is not one I was looking forward to recording, only because it was an unexpected situation that literally happened overnight. I had another video planned for today, which is supposed to be a DIY, but that is not happening because this video is more important. So let's go ahead and get to it. So guys, as you know, I really like shopping at Ikea. So I have several items in my home that are from them, and since being in Japan, like, not having other options for home decor like I prefer, and that aren't as expensive that the shops that do offer them, I have turned to Ikea for a lot of things in my home, and my bed being one of them. And I feel like at this point that was not the best decision. Now, I will applaud them on the fact that, like, they sell parts to your bed separately, where if something breaks, then you can go ahead and replace that that piece specifically. But although it's cheap furniture, I'm aware of that. But for the whole sustainability thing, I feel like the furniture shouldn't break so easily. And I don't know if that's just me. Like, I don't know. It just got me a little upset because I'm just like, we just replaced this. Like, last week we replaced this part on our bed and it broke again. Like, I don't understand. I really can't understand why it keeps breaking. So at this point, you can either contact Ikea and see what they can do, but I'm just really tired, and like I don't want to have to deal with that, and like we're moving soon, and like I just really am tired to deal with it. So if you're looking for an easy repair, you can use these second lower holes to assemble your bed instead of the top ones. If yours have ripped out like mine have, your bed will just sit a little bit lower, but around the whole frame. I noticed that there are additional holes around the whole frame so that you can position it lower. So that's an option, I guess a third option for this as well. But I was just really tired of it breaking, so we came up with new options. Adjusting correctly in here. Hopefully the lighting's adjusting well in here. The room's a little bit dark because it's hard for me to open my curtains because everything's kind of slid out of the way to, like, for me to fix this. So obviously right now I'm kind of standing inside the bed. I took off all the metal pieces that were in here, and honestly I can say at this point I regret buying this bed, because it shouldn't have broken like that so easily. And it's just like, we literally replaced the part last week, and so we would have had to replace it again. So yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Anywho, I took off all the metal pieces, and if you ever have this issue with your Ikea Malm bed, you have two options right now is what I see. Is that one, you can put a box spring on the floor and put your mattress on top of that, and then the frame is just around your bed at that point, which you won't really be able to tell except on the sides maybe, not unless you cover your box spring with a sheet. And two is to buy this metal frame. I'm going to leave it linked on Amazon. I wanted to order this, but we will be moving soon, and it doesn't make sense to purchase something new when we're about to leave. So we're going with the first option, and that is to put a box spring on the floor. Thankfully, one of my neighbors here in Japan, she had a box spring that she was willing to give to us for free, and I'm super thankful for that because I didn't really want to have to pay any extra money because we're about to leave. And so yeah, so I'm gonna go pick that up a little bit later today, if not today then tomorrow, and gonna put that inside the frame and put the mattress on top of that. So once again, the frame is just gonna be around the bed, which you won't be able to tell from the shots, or like just unless you're really looking hard at my bed. But our bed will basically be on the floor, which ideally I wouldn't want, but that's what we have to do at this point. But because of the size of how the mom bed is set up, a queen fits in it, not on it, in it. So even if we put our mattress in here right now, it'd fit perfectly. It'd just be like recessed into like the frame itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean up my room because my mattress is on the floor. Like, I'm literally looking at it and I'm not a fan of that. So let's go clean. So one more thing before I start cleaning is, so prior to this happening, we had LED strip lights like on the under rim of our bed, and it just kind of gave a nice little glow on the like perimeter. But I wanted to do something different, so we still have the strip lights, but I want to do them on this headboard here, like along the back side, so that this is lit up, and just kind of give like a more ambiance feel, especially behind our bed, which I think is where we could use it more than on the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. I bought some double-sided sticky tape, so I'm gonna do that and hopefully it looks nice. Doing a DIY for this bed today, and if you are dealing with the same issue, or if you have the mom bed and you're thinking to yourself, how can I fix this? If yours is in the condition mine is in, and mind you, my bed is only a year old. We purchased it in around February last year. So yeah. So if you're in the same condition and your mom bed has broken and you're looking for a way to repair it or somehow salvage your bed or the frame itself, then this video is for you, because I will show you two options that you can do to salvage your bed. There may be other options out there, but this is what I have come to the conclusion of, and so I want to share that with you today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So that is going to be it. As you can see, it turned out really well. My bed is off the floor, thankfully, but it is sitting on the box spring inside. Like I said, this is a temporary fix until we can get the item that we need back in the States. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I know it wasn't really a DIY, it was more of a do it because you have to. And like I said, I had a different DIY planned, but obviously this had to take priority, so I figured why not share this, because I'm sure other people experience this as well. So alright guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. I do hope that you enjoyed this content. While I enjoyed making it, I didn't enjoy the experience that led to the reason for this video today. So comment down below if you would have done anything differently. Have you fixed this issue before? Like, have you run into this issue with your mom bed? Like, I need to know that I'm not the only person out there whose bed is just dysfunctional. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.